Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas at home without an oven. First, gather all your ingredients like tortillas, your favorite enchilada sauce, and fillings such as seasoned chicken or black beans. Next, prepare your filling as desired. Finally, gently warm your tortillas, perhaps for about 30 seconds in a microwave, to ensure they are flexible and won't tear when rolled. Now it's time to assemble. Take each warm tortilla and dip it briefly into your warm enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, lay the sauce tortilla flat and spoon about 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling down the center. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, then place it seam side down in a large, shallow pan or skillet, ready for cooking. For cooking without an oven, arrange your rolled enchiladas snugly in a large skillet or a similar pan with a lid. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce evenly over the top, ensuring all the tortillas are well covered. Then, cover the pan tightly and let it simmer on medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the enchiladas are heated through and bubbly. Once your enchiladas are hot and bubbly, remove the pan from the heat. Now for the best part. Generously top them with your favorite shredded cheese like Monterey Jack or cheddar and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Cover the pan again for just a few minutes to allow the cheese to melt perfectly. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade, oven-free enchiladas. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.